welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are talking about how to install an eSIM on iPhone. To install the eSIM, open the Settings app and go to Mobile Services. Scroll down until you see the button Add eSIM. If you use already an eSIM on an iPhone close to you, then the iPhone will now suggest you to transfer the eSIM. Otherwise, you go to other options to add a new eSIM. Again, you can choose to either transfer an eSIM from another phone or to scan an eSIM with a QR code. Choose the QR code to open the camera and to scan the QR code of your eSIM. In addition to that, you get the chance to enter the eSIM data of your provider manually. Now wait a few seconds until the eSIM is loaded to your phone and enjoy your new eSIM connectivity. eSIMs on iPhone are available starting with iPhone XS and newer. Don't forget to follow us on social media and use the QR code to book our IT services. Thank you very much and see you next time.